are at the bus station in Wolverhampton. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're on another little getaway, a slightly different one. We're not in Harry this time. We're on our way to Amsterdam for a week. We're off to see Milo, our grandson, son and daughter-in-law. So that'll be great, staying in their flat in Amsterdam, which we always like flying over there. So just at Wolverhampton train station, waiting to catch a train to take us to Birmingham International. So we'll share that with you. Now he is about to realise his train is on the other platform. I just hope he catches it in time. So a train journey later, and then the monorail across to the airport at Birmingham. EasyJet provided the cheapest way to fly, and we were soon in Amsterdam airport. Transport links from the airport are really good, and with Matt and Emily and Milo living on the west side of Amsterdam, it's just a short 10-minute journey away. Go, send one down then. Now this scene occurred several times during the week. We bought Milo his first Hot Wheels track. Now we're never quite sure who enjoys Hot Wheels the most. Is it the child or is it the parent? Now his papa may be just a little too eager at times. Steady, go. Their flat is perfectly placed just on the outskirts of Amsterdam, but with easy links into the centre. Morning, so it's day 2. We're in Amsterdam. We had a thunderstorm last night, but it's lovely and hot today, humid. And we're little Milo. Yeah, Gumpy's got glasses. Key glasses. Amsterdam is just one of those places where you just want to walk around, just the cities, the Backstreets, and what people do, and how they live, coffee shops and all that. So it's a perfect place for doing that. So apparently when the kids graduate, if they graduate successfully, they hang all their bags out. Don't know, they got it up there. Successful graduation. So if you live on the top floor of Amsterdam, this is how you move in. Time for coffee, as it's hard work walking the streets out there, as well as building jigsaws, of course. As adults, we had to partake in the pastries that were on offer. Now, one of the things that Amsterdam is famous for is its eclectic coffee shops. This one even has old console games. There's always lots of green spaces to seek out. Well, we knew that was going to happen. On a boat. Grumpy.
No, they're grumpies. You going to try and walk in them? Yeah. Okay. I don't know how far you'll get, but...
Now, who stuck the chicken bone in Penguin? Was it Milo or Grumpy? Eating out in a city is always exciting, and this place we were treated to was excellent. It's located a bit away from the centre, but so worth going. I'm not 100% sure what Matt's drinking, but it looks like he's going to save the planet. It's our second day. We had a lovely meal last night at the Indian. It was a fusion curry. It was absolutely fantastic. It wasn't the cheapest, but we were treated. So had a fantastic, just the meal was just superb. Never had meat tasting like it. So highly recommend it if you're in Amsterdam. Just walking down to the cafe. They've been out swimming this morning. I decided to have a relax in the flat instead, so I'm just going to go meet them at the cafe. I must admit it just feels good to be out this year. We haven't been away for all sorts of family health reasons. Situations at home we've had to deal with, had to cancel a few holidays. So this is the first time we've really got away, so it's quite nice.
Put it on your croissant.
But you can't put it in your croissant. No, probably that.
absolutely ridiculous. We're going to be wearing it. With Milo off in the nursery for the day, we're exploring central Amsterdam. The public tram system here is brilliant. We first meander around the shops. So it's a little automated vending machine for daily flowers. The central canals always draw us in, as there's always something going on. Lean in a bit. I wonder what their house insurance is like. Our channel relies on your continued support, so liking and subscribing really helps, and it's all free. We're also on social media, and if you want to support us further, we have a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description, or simply scan the QR code on the screen to take you there. For lunch we highly recommend La Place, which is in the centre of Amsterdam. In fact, it's a chain, so you may find others around there as well. It's sort of a buffet style where you help yourself, but it's all reasonably priced. Back to our favourite bar by the canal. Looks like he just fits under. Whereas this one needs a lift. Rental spot for charging my wheels, where you can rent the car out to go around the city. So you just go onto their app, rent it, pick up the car, and away you go. So this morning we've just dropped off Milo at nursery. He's there all day, so we're going off into the centre of Amsterdam. We just had a nice little coffee, and now we're going to take the tram down into the centre of Amsterdam. There's exhibition. Photographic exhibition at a church there that we saw yesterday, so we're going to go and have a look at that, and then we're going to go and catch a film, I think, after that. So, and obviously somewhere in between we'll grab some lunch. It's so easy in Amsterdam, I have to say. I love the place. It's one of those places that I'll actually move to. It's just so easy getting around, the transport, and just feels very relaxed. Definitely a lovely place outside of the tourist areas, that is. You know, it's just as nice, to be honest. We're standing in Dam Square beside the Royal Palace, the Neue Kerk. Well, I think that's how you say it, and it means new church, and it's where the exhibition is being hosted. The church is actually centuries old and was actually to ease the overcrowding at the city's old church. Construction began in 1380 and it was consecrated in 1409. It was originally a Roman Catholic church, but it swapped religions in the Dutch Reformation in 1578 to Protestant, reflecting, I guess, the city's changing times. It's no longer an active church, but it is a venue for events like this exhibition. Every year the global spotlight falls on Amsterdam as the World Press Photo exhibition premieres in the new church. Founded in 1955, the World's Press Photo is the world's most prestigious photography competition. The exhibition displays over 150 award-winning photos and videos, transforming the historic church into an immersive space for storytelling and powerful visual journalism. This moving memorial banner displayed the names of over 1,500 journalists, all of which lost their lives on an assignment. Visitors can actually write messages of support, remembrance and reflection on dedicated cards if they wish. Well, we really enjoyed that, and the quality of the photographs was something else. So if you're in the area and the exhibition is running, I would definitely go there. Well, after that we feel a bit peckish, so it's time to find some food. We take a tram to a complex where the cinema is, and there happens to be a food hall there. We highly recommend the food here. It's laid out very much like a street food market where you can have every cuisine that you can think of. And then there's a central seating area where you can sit down and eat. As for the film, I can't even remember what it was called, but it was hugely popular. Jane fell asleep and I had to endure it. Just walking through Vondel Park. It's a bit cooler today. I noticed it only because we're so used to the hot weather at the moment. It's supposed to be 31 degrees on Saturday here. We'll be home by then. Not sure what it is. Heron of some sort, I think. Not scared of all the people though. I have to say this is an impressive park, and from what I've seen all the green space areas are really clean and well looked after. Time to treat ourselves to another lunch. It's quite easy spending money in Amsterdam though, I must admit. Pretty, isn't it?
It's just cussing them now. It's cussing them all. This is the first cuss of the summer.
What a great venue for an outside art class.
You
see it? There's a heron there. Yeah. I think that was a stork, the other one. As ever, time escapes us and it's soon time to head for home. So I hope you've enjoyed this small video, and if you get that chance in Amsterdam, go seek out those places outside of the centre. So as we say to Milo, all those in favour say aye, and even the bridges are voting for Amsterdam.